According to a study, approximately 80% of the people, what they do when they first wake up in the morning is they check their phones. Yes, they use their phones, which results into the negative impact on the health and loss of productivity for the day, as well as it interrupts in having a calm mind for the whole day. So I think we need to make a stop on this activity. So what do you think that what should be the thing that we do when we first wake up in the morning? People, we just need to give 15 to 20 minutes of ours in the whole day to make our morning a good one. Irrespective of whatever time you wake up, that doesn't matter. But whenever, be it 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, whenever you wake up, you just need to take care of one thing, that you need to spend 15 to 20 minutes of your day with yourself when you're in your bed. Okay? So let's see what are the things that we need to do. What are the 5 things that we need to do when we wake up in the morning? So the first thing that we need to do when we wake up in the morning is stretch yourself. Why stretching is important is because when you are sleeping, during the sleep, the brain and the muscles are at rest. So it actually helps in positioning the brains and the muscles. When we're stretching ourselves, it actually helps in the blood flow. It retains the blood flow. That's why stretching is important. The second thing that we need to do is drink water. See, when you're sleeping, you are actually not consuming anything for like 6 hours or 7 hours. You are not hydrating your body. So for the rehydration, drinking water is important. So the second thing after stretching yourself is you need to drink the water. Third thing, what you need to do is you need to pray. People, we have seen that a lot of things are going in this year, but still we are so grateful. We have to be so grateful to God that we are actually able to live our every day the way we want. Okay, so the third thing is just close your hands in this position and then pray to God and say to God, thank you so much for making me live for one more day. And also I would just like to pray for the whole nation, that I want everybody to be in peace, and as well especially pray for the people who are fighting for you in the border, the army people. Please pray for them. Okay. The fourth thing that you need to do is very important is meditation. Now what meditation does it actually help you to increase your energy level and keeps your energy at the top throughout the day. It actually helps you to relax and to calm your mind. Now I'm attaching some of the description, some of the links of the meditation that you can do. It is attached in the description. Okay, so just please go through there, and you need to straighten your body. You need to sit in a relaxed position and put your earphones on and listen to the music and visualize whatever they say for like 5 to 10 minutes in the bed only. And the last thing that you need to do is whenever you get up from your bed, please make your bed. It actually shows that how disciplined you are. And let me tell you one thing, that small thing matters. Okay, small thing matters a lot. It actually shows the sense of accomplishment in the first task that you have done in your whole day, and it helps you in achieving the sense of discipline and accomplishment as well. So the first thing is making your bed is very important whenever you, and then rest. You feel so good that and start enjoying your day. Thank you so much.